everyone, how are you doing? Today we are opening up a mystery box. I love these so much. I think my last one was, I almost said ColourPop, it was Ofra, and that was so good. The ColourPop one was too. But today I have one I've never done before. This is the coverfx mystery box, and this is the $50 one. So they offered a $75 mystery box and a $50 mystery box. I missed out on the $75 one that was sold out by the time I heard about this, but I was able to snag one of the $50 boxes. I am pretty sure that these are no longer available, but I will link their website down below just in case, or if they restock or anything like that. I really do like coverfx. I've been really loving their face palette I received and my Boxy Locks, and I have a few other items I like as well. So I'm super excited to see what we got today. So it came in a box like this. I did open it because I did see like a thumbnail of someone else's video and they had this bag. So I thought it was all enclosed in a bag, but this bag is on top and the products are underneath. I tried not to peek. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that my 4,000 subscriber giveaway is about to end. It ends on the 8th, so in 2 days. If you have not yet entered, or wait, tomorrow. I was thinking it was the 6th, today's the 7th, isn't it? So that ends tomorrow night, so if you have not yet entered, please do so. I will leave the giveaway video down below in the description box so you can see all the prizes and learn how to enter. It's really easy and it's open international. It's a big thank you to all of you, so please check that out if you have not yet already. Anyways, let's get unboxing. So like I said, there's a bag, so it says coverfx on it, and I think I already got like some finger marks all over it because I like use some oils for skincare today. So there's like a gold zipper, just like a standard makeup bag, but I think that's cool. I can leave my coverfx specific products in here if I keep this. A lot of times for my giveaways, I use my makeup bags to load up the goodies. So anyways, I can't remember the exact value we're supposed to get in this, so I'm just gonna pull up their website really quick, one moment. All right, so the $50 mystery bag is a 5-piece set, so it's $50 with free shipping. And let's see, and if you're unfamiliar with coverfx as a brand, they are a vegan, cruelty free, and also they are all free of parabens. So they are awesome, and they're free of mineral oil too, all of their products. So there's supposed to be 3 full-size items in this box and 2 travel-size treats, and there's a value of $108. So let's see, is it worth it? You guys, this might still be available actually, which is super awesome. I think they restocked. So sorry, this video is all out of whack. I should have looked this up before I started, but I will definitely link that below because I think last time Ofra was still available when I opened that box, and then it sold out that very day. So if you like what you see, definitely jump on that. Anyways, all of the products are in this bag. It says Mystery Bag 1 Light. So when you purchase this, you choose either light or dark complexion, I think is how they put it. Light or deep complexion. So then they'll choose items that are suitable for your skin tone. So the first item I see here is actually something I already own. I believe this is the same. This is a coverfx blurring primer. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. And this is a clinically tested paraben, fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, and talc-free vegan weightless primer. It's supposed to blur imperfections and create an ultra smooth airbrushed look. Instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. Use alone or under makeup for a seamless application. Let's see what this looks like. Yep. So this is what the primer looks like. Let me grab mine because I may put this in a giveaway since I already have one. All right, so here is mine. I will show you what it looks like. So it looks like typical like blurring foundation, or I mean a blurring primer does. It doesn't feel like too silicone-y and stuff. Did I say it? What's in this? Let's see. Yeah, so this is like dimethicone based, but I do like this. This is kind of a reminder for me to use it, so I'm excited about that. I'm not sure what I'll do with this yet. Wait till the end of the video. I might have a giveaway for this video, or I might add this in my future 5,000 subscriber giveaway. But anyways, I did like this. I received this in a past BoxyCharm, I believe. Yeah, it must have been BoxyCharm. If you guys remember, let me know. But I do like this. I have some enlarged pores around my nose area, and this helps smooth and blur those, so that's awesome. Next up is the coverfx Custom Enhancer Drops. I've heard good things about these, and this is in rose gold. I believe everyone gets this. It's like the one sneak peek that you get when you are on the website. So here is what the container looks like. I don't know, what do you do? Do you like put these in with your foundation? Let's see what the directions say. It says directions to customize your finish, shake well, and add the desired amount of drops into any product, mix well, and apply. So let's see what this looks like alone. I'm pretty sure you like put it with your foundation. So there's a dropper like this. Ooh. Wow, this really is like a pretty rose gold. Wow. Look at that. Okay, that was 2 drops in that. Look at that, is so cool. You guys have to, if you guys know like the best way to use this, let me know. But that is beautiful, isn't it? I wonder if I would just need like half a drop. That's 2 drops. So this will last like a really long time. The next thing I see is the coverfx Shimmer Veil in Moonstone. I think I do have 2 of these actually. So this is a Pearlescent Cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want for a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So this is the color we received. And I don't think I have this one. I know I have like 2 or 3, so I just want to double check. So I was only able to find one of them, and I have it in Amethyst, and the bottle is really dirty right now. So these are a little bit different. Yeah, these are definitely different. So let me swatch my new one, my Moonstone. This looks super pretty. And I am definitely more into like using liquids and stuff. Or I don't know, this isn't really like liquid, but like using different types of shimmers in my eye, like in this form. So this is the applicator. Ooh, this is super pretty. I am so excited to use this. Oh my god, awesome. I'm definitely gonna use this on my eyes, but I can see using this like a little bit like for a highlight and like a little touch of color like too. That's pretty. Oh man, this is so cute and little. The coverfx Perfect Setting Powder and Translucent Light. I love setting powders. I use them every day, so I'm always excited to try out new ones. I'm pretty much obsessed with like complexion products in general, like always looking for the perfect one. This is so cute. This is definitely a mini. And there is a little seal on there, so I'm not gonna use this now because it is translucent, but if you guys want, I will keep you updated on how it performs. So this is so little, I mean, I think the stuff I use for my under eye setting, I can definitely fit that brush in here, but I might have to like put it on my hand or something else to apply it. Well, we will see. And then the last thing, this is another travel size. This is the coverfx Glitter Drops. I don't know why I keep saying coverfx. Everything is coverfx. I'm just so used to saying the brands. But this is, yeah, these are glitter drops in Mirage. It says directions to customize your finish, shake well, and add desired amount of drops to any product and apply directly to your skin. So this is the outer packaging. I do have some glitter drops I received in BoxyCharm. I feel like everything I've gotten coverfx is from BoxyCharm. Oh, and this is different. The ones I have are like very gold, and I only used it once, and I just didn't really know what I was doing. I had glitter everywhere. I think I used a sponge, and it just like got all over my face. But I'm glad these are different. Oh wow, look at that. Let me put. Oh, this is like much more usable. Like the gold was like a little much. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this. And seriously, the other size is huge. I think my other glitter drops are like this size, but you only need something like this because like realistically you're not using it every day, and only one drop, that was like so much. That is beautiful. I'm so excited. So let's do a quick recap. I think this is great. I'm so excited to try more of their products. But okay, so we got the blurring primer, which I don't know, I feel like it'd be too small of a giveaway for me to do just here, but hell, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do a little mini giveaway. I will add in other things as well, but I am going to give away this blurring primer by coverfx. So, what should I have you do? Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. So I will use a random comment picker. I will have this open like just for like a week. How about, let's see, what is the date today? The 7th. So we'll have this end on the 14th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. I'll leave all this below. So the winner will receive this, and it's open international. Just whatever, I think everyone should have an equal opportunity to win. So you'll win this primer, and then I will add in some other stuff in a makeup bag. So it'll be a few other things at least. It might be like sample size, but this will be the main thing. So one of you will win that. So I love giveaways, so that's still good. And it reminded me to use mine because I have a decent amount of primers. I've been kind of focused on one. I'm almost done with it. So I definitely like a blurring primer because if you're like me and have large pores, it's important. It really does help. All right, and then we got the Rose Gold Custom Enhancer Drops. That was so pretty. Like, I'm curious how I'm going to use these. I think I already asked this, but if you guys have any tips, definitely let me know. We got these glitter drops, which I'm really excited. That looked so pretty to me. Along with that glitter veil and Moonshine, was it? That's my old one. Yes, in Moonstone. I think those are just gorgeous. I'm definitely going to apply this on my eye. I think that'll look really pretty, especially with my eye color. I think that'll make them like look even more blue maybe. And this translucent powder, I love powders, so I'm excited to try this out. And it's so cute and mini, but I've had mini powders before, like Dermablend powder or something like that, and it did last a long time, so I'm not mad about it. So I think this is worth $50, so it was $108. I'm gonna keep almost everything besides the primer, which I'm giving away, so I still am getting value because I think that primer is probably like around like 30 bucks or something. Let me look it up. Wow, this is $38, I think, so that's awesome. I would really love to try the gripping primer, just side note. I've heard good things about that. But yeah, so that is today's video. I love mystery bags, like for one of the same reasons why I love subscription boxes. I get to try things I might have not picked out for myself. So I think this will be really fun. coverfx is a brand I've really started to love. So yeah, definitely enter my giveaway as well as my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope you guys like these mini giveaways too and not just the big ones. Let me know your thoughts down below. That could be an idea for a comment if you need one. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!